Train's going fast. I repeat, train's going fast. Ooh, whoa. Yeah. Woo. Train's going fast below. There's 2 engine below! 3 engine! 4 engine! Oh my god! Oh my god, right below! Oh my god! Nice! Wow! You see that below? Oh, the one engine there! Woo! I know! Yes. Yes. That's a long train below. Man. They say he's going slow. Yep. Oi, you hear that? Oh, he's about to slow down. No. Yep, he's slowing. Oh no. Yep, he's slowing down. Please. Oh, whoa. Whoa, what was that? Go, go, please go. Roar. Please train, go. I need to go Pogo Loco. And I don't waste all my time. There you go. Pick a speed. Pick a speed. Golly, what was that? You hear that? That was loud. That hurt my ear. I don't know what that was. There's the end again. There's the end. Refinish right now. We're good. Bye, train. See you later. Thank you, coming by. Christ. There's an end right there. Gay, go up, please. Thank you. Bye, train. See you later. Woo!
Later, maybe next week.
Next week. We see you maybe next week. Yep. Oh, man, we got him. We got him. What time he came? I think he came around noon, right?
What time is it?
3:59.
3:59.
Yes. My time is 3:59. Almost 4 o'clock.
Maybe.
I think it was around
4:30.
4:30. Oh. Okay.